how long does the bonus depreciation last? Like what is the schedule? Because I know that it just went through in 2017. What is the schedule for the next 5 to 10 years on bonus depreciation?
So they set it up that 100% bonus depreciation is going to last until 2023. At that point, it's going to start to phase out. That you can only take 80% bonus depreciation in the first year, and then 70% as years go on until it's totally phased out. Which means that now is really the time to take advantage of this tax benefit. Buy property today. I would say do it now, because you still have 2 months before the end of the year to get for your 2019 taxes. It's incredible. I will point out one other thing that you kind of hinted on just now that I'll allude to. You alluded to, which is that the tax benefits of this, right? Like you said, they carry over. Meaning, if you have $1 million of depreciation, again, just to repeat, I said at the beginning, it doesn't mean you're like making your property go down in value. Again, this is just a borrowed term. It's a theoretical, it's a borrowed term, means you get this tax deduction. If you have more depreciation, okay, more tax deductions than you have income, even after your income from the properties, even after all of your other income, even after all of your spouse's income, okay, and you guys are set up making lots of money and paying 0 taxes, what happens with that extra depreciation that's left over that you didn't use? Okay, it doesn't go away. It actually it's considered a passive loss. Correct. It carries forward. It's put in like an imaginary bank account. Okay, and that goes to the next year. And next year, when you have income tax, that can come out, and now you can use that to offset income in future years. If there's anything less until you sell the property, at that point, all of that passive loss from the property gets released. And at that point, there's a hierarchy, okay, which is great. If you have deductions, offsets your income. As I said before, if you do an exchange, you don't have to worry about that, right? You're deferring capital gains tax, you're deferring depreciation recapture tax, you're pushing it off. But let's say you have extra depreciation and you have capital gains tax, okay? Let's say you didn't do an exchange. The depreciation can now be used to offset those gains as well. So it's beneficial to take those losses, carry them forward, right? Like you mentioned before, Donald Trump, is he doing concentration? How do you think he has billions of dollars in losses, in paper losses? Because he's taking so much depreciation and it's carrying forward.